My name is Isabelle. Today I'm going to teach you how to make banana bread. First, we need to turn the oven to 350 degrees. Now grease the baking dish with butter. We need 1 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Then we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of baking powder. And half teaspoon of baking soda. And mix everything. And now we are gonna put it aside. We need half cup of softened butter. And half cup of sugar. Then we whisk them. Add 2 large eggs. Next is 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We are gonna mix. Now that it's done, we are gonna mash the 3 white bananas. Now that this is done, I am gonna pour it into this batter. We are gonna mix it. I am gonna pour the flour inside my batter. Now I am gonna use a spatula to scrape the sides. I am gonna pull the baking dish out. We are gonna add the bananas on top of the batter. We are gonna put it in the oven and bake it 20 minutes. Now that it is done, I am gonna taste it. It's so good. Please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.